ankles. Now, with one leg on top, so for me this feels easier to put the top foot underneath the bottom leg. So from here, spread the shoulder blade, lean forward. Now you could press down with the leg, or you could try and straighten the legs, and as you straighten the legs, bend the elbows and reach forward like so. So spread the shoulder blade, bend the elbows. And for me right now, my fingers are slightly active, more of my weight's on the heel of my hands, and I find that a little bit more comfortable. So as I straighten the legs, I pay attention to my hands, and I try to keep the pressure even, and I adjust my body, maybe moving my hips back more or forward more, or my chest forward more or back more, so that I keep the sensation the same in my hands. So in this position, spread the shoulder blades, bend the elbows, and move your chest ahead of your hand. Notice your hand pressure. If you like that sensation, then keep it, or try moving forward or back so your hands feel comfortable. Once you've got a comfortable sensation in your hands, try to keep that as you lift the hips, then move your hips forward or back to stay balanced. One reason that you might want to put the bottom leg on top of the